Then what did I do? So rehearsals finished. Then I stayed there for a while on my own.
Well, I think the first person I interacted with is I was pretty late for school, so I was jogging, I was running, and then I bumped into her. Oh yeah, sorry, before that I saw you.
Getting into the building and we exchanged a smile. Someone asked me how I was doing, and so did someone else. And hello to who was smoking. Cafe to order. So I'll count that as an interaction. Bumped into, and I interacted with the cashier, as well. Kind of said hi to, I saw Molly, then got you. We bumped into, I think that's all the people.
So that's...
We were on, I think, 21, because it was 18 plus 3 teachers. And then Jesus. 33.
Oh, 33. And
then 26?
26.
I interacted with 26 people today.
First person and 11. 2 teachers, 3 teachers in the morning. And
17.
And 18. And 3 more teachers. 12 more.
21. Because it was 18 plus 3 teachers. And then 33.
Oh, 33. And then 35. And then 38.
That's a lot of people.
Yeah.
I don't know if I saw my flatmate in the morning, because I don't remember. I don't remember my journey to class, to rehearsals. I don't remember my warm-up. Don't remember the content of our rehearsals. On the way to get you, I saw Molly and said hi, then got you. I don't remember the space we were in, if it was the big room or the small room. I don't remember what I had for lunch.
And then I came here. I saw you, Molly, and then
and then 26. I interacted with 26 people today. Yesterday was long.
And
yesterday.
2 teachers.
Yesterday.
3 teachers.
Yesterday.
And
2 of my castmates. And
3 more teachers.
And then
20.
Because it was 18 plus 3 teachers. That was maybe 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As well as, is that 25? 15?
Yeah, it should be
25?
38.
That's a lot of people.
Yeah.
5 then. 26 were pretty consistent.
Second, so that's 12. So 15, 16. So that's 17. Again, 5 minutes late. 3 other teachers. So 20, and then 12 other people.
Well, 32.
So then 32. And so 32, I think, in total. Yeah.
Well, I'm wearing a flowy gray skirt, patterned black and white top, black, a necklace with a black pendant, black, pale pink, I think are pink, but are so washed out that they're pretty much white. A black t-shirt and my multicolored pink navy black boots. My ankle socks were black. Black undershirt, black, a gray and white bronzy chain. My gray My gray. Oh, I was in long black socks and my navy Converse, navy, and my black canvas tote, and my red. I definitely had my black, and I don't think I had my red. My black pants, my big black hoodie over it, orangey salmon colored T-shirt, my salmon colored top and things, and
Black, a white T-shirt, but it's red. I think kind of darkish red. Brown should be brown. The green socks, the green, darkish green.
Yesterday was long. Yesterday, two of my castmates and then getting into the building. And then exchanged a smile. Then that was maybe 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Someone asked me as well as how I was doing. So 25, and so did someone else.
Yeah, should be 25.
And pretty consistent.
Then second.
Hello to
15,
and then
26.
Who was smoking.
So I interacted with 26 people today to order.
So we'll count that as an interaction. Oh, bumped into
3 other
And I
teachers.
interacted with the cashier.
So
Which was
20.
the cashier as well.
Then,
kind of said hi to.
people.
I saw
32.
Saw Molly. Then got
because it was 18 plus 3
bumped
teachers.
into
35.
Right,
That's all the people.
and then 35, and then 38.
That's a lot of people.
And then we bumped into who was ushering, went downstairs, and I already said I met you.
Yes.
Yeah.